Hi everyone. Today I'm going to guide you on how to get a Shopify free trial in 2024. Whether you're looking to start an online store, grow an existing business, or just starting out, Shopify is a great platform to sell your products online. To get started, click the exclusive free trial link in the description to unlock the Shopify extended free trial. You'll be redirected to this page. Enter your email and click on the Start Free Trial button. Shopify will ask you a few questions to help set up your store according to your needs. Feel free to answer them or skip them by clicking Skip or Skip All. Choose the country where your business is located. Click Sign Up with Email. Enter your email and password. Once you've filled out the form, click Create Shopify Account to continue. Shopify will create your account. After completing this step, you'll be taken to your new Shopify dashboard, where you can start customizing your store and adding products. To activate your first month free trial for just $1, go to the pop-up box on the bottom right and click on Select a Plan. If you're just starting out, I recommend going for the basic plan, as it's typically all you will need to start and grow your online store. Therefore, I'm going to go ahead and select the basic plan. Once you've filled out all the information, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and you're good to go. You will now have access to all Shopify Pro features for a month by paying only $1. If you haven't gotten to check out Shopify, click the special free trial link in the description below for much quicker and easier access, so don't forget to check it out. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge.